Good morning, Standard 2. Today we're going to be combining letters that we already know. We're first going to start off with a capital N and small o. So we know for a capital N, we find a middle area on the line. We go up, curve up, straight down, right back up on that line, loop around. And then when you reach to out, you're going to go straight into that O. Let's try that one more time. Find a middle spot, loop up, down, right back around in that line, curve, and then you're going to go straight into that O, loop out. So you're going to give me 1, 2, 3 no's on that line, skip a line, and then we're going to practice to write the word bone. We already did B, O, N, and E, so we want to join it together. Gonna start off with our small B, slant up, loop around, down, back up, out. When you are at the end of that out, you're then gonna go around, loop up, you won't come off. Gonna go straight into that small N, and then you're gonna go straight into that small E. Excellent. So I think you would be able to fit 2 of the word bones on the line. Let's try that again. Loop up, out. When you're at the end of your out, then you go into your O, loop it around, then you go into your N, and then you go into your E. So you're gonna give me at least 2 bone on a line, then you skip a line, you go back into no, skip a line, you go back into bone, and with practice, we're going to be writing great cursive. Bye!